For the past few months, I've seen so many videos about this new reflection removal feature in Lightroom and camera. It looks super cool and I was really excited to try it out. But I never got the right photo to test it on until now. Yes, I had to shoot this image of Hanuman Ji, and as you can see, there's a glass in front of it and some reflections behind me, super visible. While clicking it, I was like, no worries, we have this new magic reflection removal tool now. Let's fix it in post. So I brought it into Lightroom, hit the reflection button, and waited. But honestly, this is what I got. It tried, but it did not fully remove the reflections. You can still see the marks here. So yeah, it's a cool tool. It's not 100% perfect. Works in some cases, but not always. Not in my case, at least, or the story. Try to remove reflections then and there, and do not rely on the post. Let me know if you tried this feature and how it worked for you. Was it better than mine, or